If you have been looking for a moving-ready apartment in Dominicus for under $120,000, this one might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Hi, I'm Natasha Jimenez with Remax Bayside. If you're thinking about buying or investing in Bayahibe or Dominicus, I help people just like you navigate the process every week. If you would like more information about this apartment at Coral Azul or any properties in the area, feel free to contact me. All my information is listed below and I will be glad to assist you. Let me show you where this property is located. Right here in Dominicus, Bayahibe, one of the most desirable areas in the Dominican Republic. You are just minutes away from the beach, restaurants, and everything you need for a perfect Caribbean lifestyle. Welcome to Coral Azul, a fully furnished studio apartment designed for comfort and simplicity. An investment potential, this unit offers 48 square meters with a smart open layout that combines your bedroom, living area, and dining space all in one. The apartment completely furnished, so you can move in immediately or start generating rental income right away. The space feels bright and open with plenty of natural light and a clean, modern design. Step outside to your private balcony where you can relax and enjoy the tropical breeze. The kitchen is functional and modern. The bathroom features a clean, contemporary design with quality finishes. Outside, you will find a beautiful pool area surrounded by greenery, creating a peaceful environment for residents and guests. And here is a major bonus. As an owner, you get access to the clubhouse and pool at Estrella Dominicus, adding even more value to your investment. This unit is priced at $119,000 for a fully furnished, move-in-ready property in a prime location. Like more information about this apartment or other properties available in Dominicus and Bayahibe, feel free to contact us using the information below. And if you are interested in learning more about the real estate opportunities in Dominican Republic, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming property tours and market updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.